YouTube, it's me, Brandon, and you're watching another episode called Hanging with Brandon. Now today I'm with my sister and my niece, Courtney. She's right back there. There she is. Let me see your pretty face. Say hello.
Hello.
So, we are going to a food cart called, what's the name of the cart?
Gresham Food Carts.
Yeah, Gresham Food Carts. You know, this is the second time we've been there, and this is the 90th episode of Hanging with Brandon. And I'm sorry I haven't been there for a while, and I've been...
MIA.
What?
Missing in action.
Yes. Yes, and I'm very sorry, but I'm here, and we will begin the show. So now, let's stop wasting time and get started. Okay, we're here. Sorry, I forgot to film the entrance. Okay, well, my baby girl wants a Bobo, and they're closed, I think. Oh, nope, they're not. Oh, hello. Hang on, folks. So I found out that not all the places are open, and there's a bunch, and, I know they're...
more than last time.
Yeah, I agreed. I want to try some of their corn dogs, but I did found out something. Hang on. So... I'm at the hamburger called Goblin Grill, and I'm going to decide what I want, and when I do, I will let you know. So I'll be right back. So I ordered my burger and some fries. I know it's not much for a mukbang, but I figured what the hell, and this place sounds good. Here, let me show you the name. So this is the name of the place. This is where I got my lunch. I was going to do like a smorgasbord, but most places are closed, so I'm going to make do with this. So when my food's ready, I will begin the mukbang. Yeah, check it out. I wonder where they got it. Probably ordered on Google or probably got it on Comic-Con Wizard World. Sorry you can't hear me over the music, folks. Yeah, I'm still waiting for my food, but it will be ready soon. Oh, sorry about that. Right back. Okay, so I got what I need. Sorry you can't see good. Here's my burger I ordered. Yeah. It has bacon, lettuce, tomato, ketchup and mustard, and a toasted brioche bun.
Okay, Brandon, tell them about my Thai.
Yeah, my sister ordered herself some Thai food.
I got french fries.
Yep. Sorry you can't hear me, and I'm sorry you can't see good of this bad lighting. Now let's get it on.
This was the only shady spot.
Give him a bite. That looks good, Brandon. That looks real good.
You want to try it? Forgot to grab napkins.
Oh, I got some. Oh, I got one. Okay, I don't need it.
You got a french fry? Oh, yeah.
And I got myself some of that bubbly stuff.
Boba.
Boba.
I got purple.
My baby girl loves this stuff.
They didn't have the brown things today, chewy ones, so they gave us colorful.
What is it?
I got rather crinkly fries.
Boba.
Look.
I could have gotten myself chili fries, but I'm worried I might not like it.
And I put ketchup on my french fries.
Yep. Alright, so after lunch we're going to go to Costco because we need some chicken for our dinner tonight. Man, we're not making anything special. And if we are, I will let you know or film it.
That burger's strong. It smells strong. Fries.
There's a pickle.
You want to try this?
Why not? I guess I'll try a little bit of that soup.
It's like chicken curry.
Good thing we got
Chicken
napkins. Yeah, this just spilled on me.
Not bad.
Their fries are delicious.
Last time I was here, I tried their Greek food. I had a chicken gyro or gyro. I'm getting hint a little garlic. They put garlic salt in these fries.
Me too. I love French fries.
Tell your viewers, once this is all done, we'll give them a full tour of it because it's still in the works. It's not all done.
Yeah, it's true, folks. What my sister said.
Yeah, that's what we said over there.
And I did my best to get you a good view. I mean, I'm sorry you can't see my food that well.
Brandon, can I try your boba?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's delicious.
Yum.
I know, I love it.
Ew.
What? The pearls? I like them. They're like gummy bears.
Will you pass me a napkin underneath the tripod? Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for lunch, Brandon.
You're welcome. So anyway, this chicken gyro, it was really good. I loved it. I had green onions. No, not green onions. Maybe it does. I don't know. They had red onions, tomato, and they had a cucumber. And it was wrapped in one of those gyro breads or
Gyro.
Gyro. It was a pita bread, I believe.
I love pita bread. Mom, if they have it, let's go get it.
They do have it.
Okay. Because I want to start using that for my sandwiches. This is the one we had at school. The kind of flatbread.
I wonder if I should have ordered the chili fries for my show.
Not too late.
I disagree. Because when I'm done with this, I'm going to be really full. Maybe next time I'm here. I'd say their burger and Goblin Grill, is it? It's
Yeah.
really good.
So is your French fries.
And if you're interested in buying my book, the link is down below. Check it out if you're interested.
I might get it.
Okay. All of you won't be disappointed.
I like scary books and Harry Potter books.
I wish I know which book you read first. You sure you don't remember the details of which scene you were at?
No. Me and all my friends read them. At summer school.
I just wish I remember. I just wish you could remember which book you read of Harry Potter.
I'll try to find it out tomorrow. I'll text you.
Okay.
Because I go to summer school and it's so fun.
For the record, there was a reason why she had to go to summer school, because it's not because she's a good student. She does hard work. It's just, tell them why you had to go to summer school.
We missed a whole year of school due to stupid COVID.
Yes, it's true. But Courtney enjoyed it anyway, right, baby?
It's mostly activities and sports, which is my favorite things.
Okay.
And in the morning before recess, we read books for color.
I am a little curious which Harry Potter book she read. Because in my opinion, you should start with the with the Sorcerer's Stone. So you know.
What does the B stand for? Does it
Boba?
stand for boba or big?
Boba, maybe.
This is a big cup.
This is good, but I think it's a little too sweet.
I like it.
Did I order pineapple or banana?
You got pineapple mixed with coconut.
And the tapioca is very chewy.
Like a gummy bear.
Yeah.
And we got ours blended instead of milk tea.
Yep. So what's this called again, Courtney? A boba what?
Boba, milk tea. But we got ours blended. So it's like, it tastes like a smoothie with boba in it. And at Costco, in the freezer section, they have boba you can make homemade. We're gonna get some. If they have it.
I just say their burger is really good. Yeah, sorry you can't hear me from all this music, folks.
It's from the bubble shop. Oh. You have some?
Oh, sorry, folks. A fly was bugging me. Well, you guys can have the rest of my fries. I'm gonna eat both. All right. Too bad their corn dog place is closed.
Yeah, I really wanted to try their corn dog.
Yeah, but I guess there's always next time. I know. Okay, so Courtney just wanted fries, and my sister got herself some Thai food, was it?
Yep.
And I really love Goblin Grill. Their burgers are really good. I recommend you try it. I'm sorry this video was short, folks. I'm really sorry. I'll try my best to make it longer next time. Yeah. Now, leave your comments. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit subscribe. Yeah, push on the icon button on the right. And check out my book, Dark Carnival, available on Amazon. The link is down below. Thank you all for watching. See you all next time.